Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. Today we have a very important session because it's a revision of all prefixes given before. So it's a very important topic because it will be included in the upcoming exam. So pay attention with me. Our objectives are identify the meaning and purpose and position of prefixes, apply them properly, create a written description of a given picture including prefixes. And our standard is L2.4b. Okay, you have to know the answers of 3 main questions regarding prefixes to make it easy for you to find them easily in the sentences. What are they? You have what and where and why. Let's start with what. What are they, or their meaning or definition? They are sounds or letters or word parts. They are just a part of the word. And then where, we can add them at the beginning of the word. Okay, because at the end they are something else. They are suffixes. Okay, but our topic is only prefixes, which are coming at the beginning. Now the third question is why, to make a new meaning or to create a new meaning. Okay, here are all the prefixes that are given and which you have studied very well for the upcoming exams. So here you have a pre, it means before, and you have re, it means again, and you have un, this means not, and you have miss, it means wrong or incorrect, and you have over, it means too much. And you have here a lot of examples. Please practice reading them. Now grade 2, look at this picture with me. You will find that there is someone who is reading, okay? But the question now, can he imagine these things that you can see before or after reading? Can he imagine these things before reading? Of course not. As he reads, okay, he can imagine these things that he is reading about. Okay, so we can say now that he is reading about dinosaur, about animals, about witch, about other things that you can see in the picture. But before reading, he cannot imagine. What is the meaning of before? It means what? It means pre-read. Okay, so the meaning of before is pre. Now look at the other picture. We have here a house. If you look at the picture, the house is what? The house is rebuilt. Okay, so here we rebuild the house as you see in the picture. So the meaning of pre is before, and the meaning of re is again or one more time. Understand? These are the two prefixes, or the first two prefixes. Now look with me at this picture. Yes, as you see, is he happy or sad? He is not happy. He is not happy. I say not happy. So what is the meaning, or which prefix means not? It's un. Okay, as you see in the picture, unhappy. Here is un. Okay, now if you look at this girl, she said yucky. I mean, she does not like. I said not. She does not like. So what is the meaning of not? It means this. So I have un and this. They are prefixes with the same meaning. Both of them, they mean not. Unhappy means not happy, and dislike means she doesn't like. Okay, now we have more prefixes. Look at this picture. We have a girl who is playing and her homework untouched. She didn't do her homework. She's wasting her time in playing. Okay, now look at the other picture. Here we have a boy who is shouting. He is shouting. He's very angry and mad. Okay, are they behaving well? The girl and the boy, are they behaving well? Okay, is it good behavior? Is it correct behavior or wrong behavior? we can say that the girl and the boy misbehave. So we have miss, this is another prefix which means wrong or incorrect. Miss, M-I-S, it means wrong or incorrect. Okay? Misbehave means they behave in a wrong way. Now we have the last prefix, which is, look at this picture. How does it feel? As you see, too much hot, very, very, very hot. Okay? So, what is the meaning of too much? Which prefix means too much? It's what? Over. So here it's overheat or over hot. Okay? So here over means too much. Now grade 2, it's time for practice. You will write this chart in your copybook because sticky notes are not enough. Okay? And this activity will be highly graded. Okay? It has marks. So you have in each sentence underlined words. Okay? And each underlined word has a prefix. So you have to put the root word and put the prefix and the meaning of the prefix. Okay? As we said, prefix means or coming at the beginning of the word. They are only parts of the word. Some letters added at the beginning. Okay? And then we have the root word. It means it's the main part or the main or the most important word without prefix. Okay? So here you put the root word, here you put the prefix, and here you put the meaning of prefix. I will revise with you the prefixes that we take. The first one is pre, it means before. Then we have re, it means again or one more time. And then we have over, it means too much. We have miss, it means wrong or incorrect. And we have this and on, they have the same meaning, they mean not. Okay, keep them in your mind and then answer the activity. As I said, send me your answers because it's highly graded, okay? Now the challenge grade 2, you will write a sentence including a prefix to describe any picture. Okay, just pick only one picture and write a sentence to describe it, but your sentence must include a prefix. Okay, here you have 3 pictures, pick any one of them. Now you open Sidekick page 141 and then write the date. Here, follow me please. You will highlight this part. Prefixes are added to the beginning of a root word. When you add a prefix to a root word, you change its meaning. Okay? Now, the activity is you read each sentence, write the word that has a prefix, draw a box around the prefix in the word, underline the root word. So in each sentence, you will write a word that has a prefix, and then we underline the root word and we circle or put a box around the prefix. Number 1, Lucy told a lie, so she is dishonest. Number 2, when Jack was young, he went to preschool. 3, Betty likes to preview movies before she watches them. Mary will disconnect the cable to the computer. Okay? Here is the answer key of the page. Number 1, dishonest. Okay, the prefix is this. You can put a circle or a box, and then the root word is honest. Number 2, you have a preschool. You underline school, and you put circle around the pre. Number 3, you have a preview. So you underline view, and you put circle around the pre. And then we have disconnect. You underline connect, and you put circle around this. Now the exit ticket, write what have you learned in today's session. In today's session we have a lot of examples about the prefixes, and we have practice too about the prefixes. Keep them in your mind. Practice this presentation very well. It's very important for the upcoming exams and quizzes. Thank you so much. Wishing you special days.